That told him I know and him a take down and then he say, you can't give my child. Better man, anyhow me put it there, man. Nothing move that. A bad thing when I do. The girls see them things there. So me well rejected from me a little bit. The woman good me from them time there.
So was that a racism I go on in a day family?
Yes. I get 9 shots on the 9/39, 2009.
Hey guys, it's the Chris representing Jamaica here in Jamaica. So guys, for today's video we'll be driving from the west to the east of Jamaica. Actually guys, this is part 2, so if you haven't seen part 1, go ahead and check out part 1. In today's video my dad will be sharing how he met my mom along with some other juicy stuff, so guys stay tuned. Sarah, how you doing? Mommy, hey, remember we dear? We're taking this scenery. My mommy. I have a next story time for the people. I have a next idea now what you can talk about. Tell me what about when it's want to meet. That's all 1 minute that to go that. That's funny since it's one of them together right now. Alright, you know what to talk about that story there? Alright, let me hear from your version. Mommy, you share your version. Yeah, I'm share my version. Mommy, share her version. What is your version? Oh, you meet mommy?
When we meet her?
Yes.
One day I drive, I go Bartown. And just like Bartown is out Rosal. And for one reason or other, I just feel away, low in my spirit, and I say, what is this? So I say, you know, I have one girlfriend over by Bartown, and I say, I go look for her.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah. I say, I go look for her. Man, I have too much girlfriend in them time, you know? But I never master none more than one when you can work at the hotel. Like my pitney mother did. When I come up to Bartown, I have a much pitney mother. I have a much girlfriend, but I never have a pitney mother in a Bartown. But
unfortunate.
Yeah, I just feel so low that day there, and I say, well, I don't know what happened, but something not right. But going over the hill of Bartown, as I go across the police station, you see one elder man.
How was he?
Who's his name? 2 of them, you see.
Yeah, one next one, but I don't remember that one.
Yeah, I don't remember his name. The next one name. But I remember Hosey. So I'm the main one. When I know. And then he flag me down, say, he look alright. Him and this white lady come up here to get the ex-husband bail because something go down and police hold him, and then if somebody come get him sign one bail bond that he can come out, I lock up. But after that she go and go out back out a little pot where he live. But he might tell me say he don't really have no money like that right now. But he don't like to go out. So he say the woman have no money, but I'm responsible for the woman if we can't care. And me I say, yeah man. So he say, alright, I know you're a good man. When you help an old man and a white lady, he's a good man. So just wait for me. Now come. Me hear where the police them and tell her if the man will get bail or whatsoever. The man never get no bail. Right away. But he may get some some good argument must have to come back whenever. So me carry she and the man, the two older man now. Job have the older man them, and then because she go out where she live, when rent my house out by Greenwood, near Saltmatch border, that a Chilani. So me and I make him a promise say me like her, and then me told him you know, and him a take talk, and him a say, he a tell to me say, him hear better music than when me a play. Although she no dance yet. And me a tell him say, he can't give me a child because he no have none. And me get so many already. You see? So,
Mommy used to get the best courage.
He say if he get pregnant and he buck into a pay blood in say run up on him foot. He just lose that character. So me say man anyhow me put it there man. Nothing move that. Yes, and then he just said to me say he hear better when me I say. But he's still you know, he under the head and I say. But me I know what really coming on me you know, because me ever say before me meet him say me have nothing to do with a married woman or a woman when husband dead.
But
me
your husband not dead?
No, but I went for me regime that say me not gonna know married people married affair, right. And then if a woman husband dead me fi go look him, he not go get look because me not look for no married woman.
No widow.
No widow way.
What's wrong with a widow though?
Well to me, he dead man I got half time same way. And me know what I know that affair, right?
I'm to the the ex-husband I got half time same way too?
Yeah. How you mean? No, the Bible say never you put a blunder to a couple, a married couple. So that means that you don't have to go in a relationship.
You never realize back then you're so religious. I don't think back then you did.
No man, I grew up in a church. You know what me usually do when I go to church or Sunday school? The offering when my mother give me, which you in a collection plate. You know, so me keep it by one greater cake and one drops. And keep the rest. Then I go home, walk through shortcut, I walk around the road. And meet up on the guy them where I play gambling, I play card back.
At least you guy to church, but you don't give the offering.
You don't give no offering. And that's a bad thing when I do. The girls say them things that can't rob God's Sunday school offering. If you contribute to that purpose. But God children know me still, you know, and see say the enemy want to sin out me way. Kill me before my purpose come to perfection.
Yeah.
And you know how me get to find out after a while.
Yeah.
The whole man make me know say the devil when in my granny never liked me. So he will want to kill me because he see purpose in me. So me well rejected from me a little bit. And if it come to nothing. But my granny, my whole granny, I tell my old lady say, me here, the God give me by my head. It too good for me because through my brother brown, light skin, brown like you. My granny, I make my mother know say I should have pancito. Get the head of here when me get. But she an Indian.
Yeah.
And me come with the Indian here. When I pancito when we come with that head here. The woman good me from them times there.
So racist in the family since then?
Since then, generation curse. And it coming like a me in graph pan because you me so cute, me got the pretty hair. Me have the pretty hair, me get the whole like pretty hair man and
so you say you're gonna get to do the whole education and so them send them go school?
Yeah, and send them go school. and them with a take school because them have it.
And you them put on the field for work.
Right, you know see. So me have to do all the work because I me are the bigger one. Well, my brother went bigger than me, but my brother wouldn't stay around my old man. Because my granny never liked my old man neither. For him claimed to say my old man too bossy. But you, my old man, is a man who works for what he wants, you know, depend on people. If you hand out, then he bossy behind it, you know, then I like him. The old man go to work and come in one day. And he say, he just, like his spirit tell him, say, if you take him time and go around, go see what's going on around here. For my son, his son, they in the yard, in the house, that I make. He say, when he go at the window side, he get to understand, say, his mother. My mother, that I'm my granny.
Yeah.
I talk to my mother and I say, you know, say, the pretty hair where Shirley get, I never surely forget it.
So it was a lot of racism going on in the family?
Yes. From
like,
the one of people, my granny reject me and cause my mother fear. I wonder if he should have really get rid of me.
Get rid of your own?
Yeah?
Like,
no.
People get rid of people in Jamaica?
Oh, you mean, in that time, the parents should have get rid of them people?
You mean like kill them?
Yeah. What you mean?
Like after they ban?
What you mean after they ban? Me say they could have taken a pin and come and pin
Oh gosh.
and put in a their mold.
Oh gosh.
And then doctor can't find them complaint. Remember, when me hear them say something, they make me.
They come for them, man. In a life. Boy.
I tell you.
Thank God your mother did love you. Not true.
Yeah, but his mother never loved me.
Yeah.
And she said he have a hard time. But I don't know how to love him.
Yeah.
He love me, but my granny never loved me.
Your mother did stay with her mother at the time,
yes.
So she did have it hard too. Oh gosh.
You know when tell me one day in time I can't go down to go doing heart surgery.
Yeah.
Find me after the go from Kingston to back west. And tell me I can't say it's a good thing say he didn't get about me because in that time when he go through where he go through. And he never know what to do. Enough things when I go in and come through in mind. He say, who with the car and everything. So I can feel it. Say, why? He never have a easy time.
Yeah, but then she never know, say, your skin color would have been so different from the rest, right?
No, if it
But she just attacked children in general. They grew up in time.
Well, God make me with a purpose.
Of
just
course.
like David in the Bible.
Of course.
Just like David in the Bible. He reject for Samuel, married wife, pity them. He couldn't eat round the dinner table.
Yeah.
And I see my granny would have want me to stay out that door while any other people could have run the dinner table and eat. Because he reject me from the out in look. And me I tell you say, with that God take me up and pull me around. So when time Garby come in my life, I want the best thing for me still, you know. Yes.
You know, look at self-confidence.
Yes, because listen, me can go up on plane and I choose. You know what I mean? Well, me have a genuine love for him still. All now, still have a genuine love. And it come through the children, them when produce.
Yeah.
And me know say, I God himself that I show me say, although me figured out the race where me belong, me still come to be the star because my brother, we were brown and think he have it all, and rich and think he have it all. When time you born and then see you, Although him travel on ship and when I work on ship, I play music on ship, and him move on enough whitey and could have enough whitey, deal with whitey, but he not get nothing for sure out of whitey like when me get. I have, you know. And could I hear my exalt and a murmur like him I say, yeah, I'm me get it and can show it. And him will make many at them. Now have nothing to show out of him at them.
Oh, yeah.
You know see? And then get whole heap of praises to make money too. I'm gonna make the money where him make. I'm gonna have the things they have. Until the devil just make then kill him. For where he have.
Gosh.
You know see? I ain't not really put him nowhere.
Yeah.
And see me there, him born after me, you know, and him dead long, around much. 2009, then shoot him. And one man...
How old did you be when he died, you know?
Cause... Boy, you in both here, and you know, you can't check it. Me know say him born 59, so...
59 to 2009?
Yeah.
Alright.
So he could average 60. From 2009 to 20. Eh?
No, like 50?
No,
or
man.
49, 50?
Somewhere about there, now he ain't get 50.
Yeah.
He still young, in our prime. And you got post for me too, you know. Yeah, man, no, me I have to live in yard. Remember when live up in yard?
Yeah.
And you have enough things. Now, cheap bus, new bus, you just get 3 bank. And I pay, yeah. Coaster too. And he went say when I bus a female, you know. But he get vexed with me. And when he usually follow him go to a skating place also. The man get mad for me and decide say, you know, wait me a morning time. But God don't know. But when I go, because me still run him till when they kill him. Then they will left me neither. Maybe me all first then I shoot.
So it's like he leave you, go work and then he have my work up.
Yeah, he leave me and I got town now. Say now wait me no more morning. So finally now wait me just left and round him place and love him. You know see it,
Because you used to be like conductor for the bus, right?
Yeah, me and conductor for the bus. Now I got town. I don't want to see him. So me I say, what me I do? I'm place there. Tired of it, you know. I'm come back. I'm dead down I west. When one youth call me and tell me, say, you get 9 shots on the 939, 2009.
Oh gosh.
You hear how much 9?
So much 9.
2009, you get 9 shots on the 9th.
Oh gosh.
I'll know that youth then call me back. I remember his mother, his youth mother, he usually make a pancake.
You mean like him baby mother?
Yeah. And she when I try to tell me, say, me have to tell him how him dead. But she know how him dead.
So them ever find out that movie?
It's the old man when go a foreign runway in a then time, then come back and then shoot him. And then want to say that the man they were in there too. So, and they want to say, most of them and they were killing, then shoot them. So me I say, they must know all them and them. Because then kill him friend too, you know. The same day, you know, 2 o'clock a man go in our shop, get one beer, and he must have a bull and yard. As in left from out of his shop, up at Glendevon there. Same place, the same street where him friend live on. Because our friend when come, the daughter when call him friend in the night and tell him go on, he a gunshot where get that is my brother. So if he come, when he come and I look in our bus, no, he might look round, then I see him body and him call the phone and somebody answer the phone And when he asked him, say, what they do with the body? But he want see man. Them reply to him and make him know say they don't do nothing with the body. Him feel looking at the bus when I go try go town if they not see body in a bus.
So they never find body at first. What do you mean?
And he get all I shot them and fall up in all that bus seat in a bus man.
Really?
The coaster.
Them hide him in the bus?
No, him run go in there. When he see them a run and come to him.
Oh, he go hide and he
Yeah.
still get shot.
Yeah, and then lick out the bus glass and walk. Why the bus went park
But
gets
that
and
is
walk.
a wicked death, you know.
Yeah man.
You see that come worse. You better when you just have my you know, see that come. But the one they see that come, he run for his life and
Then,
he couldn't run.
no, he could have run.
But why though? The question is why?
Me is an excursion. The same boy with his daughter called. They will come upon him in the Monday in come from town. And they must have demand 50,000 from him.
So always money.
Excursion.
So yeah, people pay money to kill him. I mean. What you call extortion?
When you do business, they have just set a man.
A hitman.
Yeah, gunman them.
Yeah.
Government don't know nothing about them, they don't pay tax. But you have to pay them tax. Out of what you make. So you see like when you have 3 bus, then decide say you have to pay 50,000.
Oh, so there are people where collect tax when you're supposed to collect tax.
Right.
So that I like the
bad
pimp
man
them.
Yeah, bad man.
Oh gosh.
And it's a syndicate of them.
So that
Only
means
bad
people
them.
don't like to see you do good. They want something out of you good.
Yes. They will want to see do good, yes, but you have to pay them. If they can't stay around where you're there, then
I
just
didn't
kill
know that
them.
exists, you know.
Yeah?
They do that thing, says.
That's all they are
They did that
German.
funny business.
They're everywhere. Every country that
It
deal.
makes sense because of that the pimp them do. They want money out of them now.
And you can't tell them no. Anytime
gosh.
you tell them no, you're a dead meat. Him won't call his brother now. Tell him if he can't fight to come. But pity did he know say then the man have bigger gun and where friend have. I mean yes, them bus one gun up there no man. A mazooka that. A big old everlasting when it bus pan in a bus. You know when thunder clap.
Oh
The
gosh.
explosion and that then take and lick him. Mash him up. And he never did. Me in a boat back there for about an hour and a half. When by the time the guy take him up and put him in a car, still a blow. But by the time he reach up the original,
Gone.
him gone. I feel it.
Guys, my heart. I never get the full story like this, you know. I don't know, maybe we get it and we're too young back then. We just have to pick up how the man really died. Because I was thinking maybe him just in some funny business, but I never feel funny business. That he just end up in a situation or so. So that's why you just say you're lucky you didn't move away.
Yes.
Because if they couldn't really reach you.
Yeah man.
But I never fear about them. They would have really come here too.
Oh, you mean? Then I'm my brother, man. And then I go left. Then I go dead because of him.
But you say the next man we get shot, he was also doing
Yes, I'm with him brother. I'm with him friend.
he did
Close
that
and-
collect money too? He might have collector?
No, him and never no collector. He work on the bus.
Oh, so
I'm
anybody
learning.
associated to him?
Yeah, I'm learning my trade till he on his own. He could have called him to do anything on the bus for him.
That's crazy.
Yeah man, he just loyal. So grudge him for him money where I make. Find that 3 bus where he going to the bank and the bank. They purchase him a bus, but him have to pay what do you call it? A month time for them. And the man are going good. But the kind of friend them we may have, he wasn't no good friend them. They didn't mean him no good.
Really?
No, then people like them no me no wrong good. If they want 50,000 ever,
But I don't think you say a friend are just extortionists. People was
you may know them is there. You may not try to befriend them because
oh, you might try to get her from the tax. But you know they work the friendings. But
no, you never work. You not work at them here. Because they have a high one them.
higher than them.
Yeah, higher all of them. Where and money they want, they don't want no thank you. They don't no friend thing. They just want food.
We get kind of drawn out. We did talk about mommy's story.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, because he grudge me when time you born, you know.
Yeah.
How come got white daughter, you know, see.
Yeah.
Like say, me I last one could have white daughter and a brown one.
Yeah.
He have a brown daughter still. So, he grudge me. But he comment, he never.
He makes some mean comments.
Yeah.
Like what kind of brown daughter or something.
Yeah, I'm for my daughter white than for him.
Oh gosh.
You know, see. I'm more pale than me, you know. But
Colorism, they call it, you know, it's not racism. In Jamaica, what they call it? No colorism? Oh,
I see
boy.
a racism.
Some people say who white, who black, who in between.
And some men know say, when time me there with Garvey, you know them time there. He wanna fight me because he say Garvey a poor white woman. And no black man not take up no poor white woman. You know see, I work for mine because he coming like a slave. When a black man I work for a white. Whatever white I work for a black man now. It alright. You know?
You can see how your grandmother really damaged you know. Not true? I from the grandmother come man.
Running time, eh?
So not
As an Indian too.
you can't really blame him. I want to just grow up like that and see it from the granny. It's crazy man. I just whole slavery thing come and mash up Jamaica mentality.
Because I was everything bring Jamaica to where they are now still, you know.
Slavery make me have the mentality, you know.
So me never know with all of that, me I get a fight. And when me go in a church and now, you know, me see where the whole generation curse thing come from. And it's all like the enemy want to kill me before my purpose come true in life. And me never know what it's all about.
I'm not long you listen to one now.
Eh?
We rich farmer.
Yeah man, actually we are chatting.
My goodness. The story time soon done guys.
Yeah man, the story is like in and out.
Remember that radio one time and I used to get sick on the road, I used to eat the road. Because it's so curved. What do you call it? Full of corners.
And precipitate go over there, so anything run go over there, so can't come back. And the water go over there, we come back. Alive. Don't.
So alright, finish up the mommy story now.
Hey, mommy story finishing and soon I come in on the play. And when I said it all, you know, because it's just accomplished when they fulfill and you fulfill, you know. I want to feel that be some good fruit pan that the tree there, you know. Yeah, make it just show goodness. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow it till we die, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You soon get there, man. First, you have to set up yourself, you know. So it's
Yeah,
just barely have make it
but
up.
first you seek God. And that never tell him, man. Seek God. Because without God, you are working in vain.